Hello guys, it's your man, Ultimate Gamer. Just like last time we were playing hockey, it was like the Broncos from the NFL. But I'll be there, I'll be this team. Where it says I'm pick random. Matter of fact, I'll maybe be this team. They got that team, NF. Tell me, how is that fair? Okay. Let's play the game. The ice on the brick on it. It's my new ice catchphrase. And oh my gosh! And we got a score right away when the match started at 15 minutes. And we got it. And it's the second quarter. I feel like it's glitching. Buckets. I feel like I'm not gonna make it too hard for me because it's too easy. I'm just not like when it's too easy. The game won't be fun if it's not easy. So maybe my next video, maybe we won't make it so easy. I need challenging for this. Again. Got it. What? We got it. 6 again. 6 it. That rhymes. 6 enters it on the pit. 6 it in the pit. Oh, they blocked me. I could have been a fast break. Maybe in hockey it's called the ice break. Last one. Oh my gosh. Full core. My device is getting too full. The storage. But I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.